Hey everyone, and welcome back to It's Tech Time. If you're a tech professional, a data scientist, or an AI enthusiast, you already know that AI job market is really heating up right now. AI is literally everywhere, from healthcare diagnosing diseases to finance predicting market trends, and companies are hiring AI certified professionals who can build, deploy, and manage machine learning models at scale. But here's the challenge. How do you prove your skills? Well, a certification can be that edge to get higher paying roles or even make a career switch. So in this video, you'll learn the best AI certificates to get in 2025, how each cert aligns with specific career goals, real-world use cases for each of these certifications, and tips on how to stand out in an AI hiring process. AI is not just for data scientists anymore. Software engineers are integrating AI-powered applications. Cloud engineers are deploying ML models on AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. And business analysts and cybersecurity pros use AI for automation and fraud detection. But employers want proof of expertise, and that's where certifications come in. For example, if you're a software engineer, TensorFlow Developer Cert can boost your skills in deep learning. If you work with cloud services, AWS or even Google's ML Engineer Cert can make you more competitive. And if you're new to AI, IBM's AI engineering can build a strong foundation. The first certificate we're going to cover is Google's Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification. This validates expertise in designing, building, and deploying ML models on Google Cloud. It covers ML best practices, data engineering, model deployment, and responsible AI. Why is this certificate worth it? Because it's recognized by Google, which is a major AI leader. It focuses on machine learning pipelines, deployment, and cloud AI solutions. It has a high demand in finance, healthcare, and autonomous systems. A real-world example for this certification is imagine you're a machine learning engineer working for Tesla, building computer vision models for self-driving cars. You need expertise in Google Cloud AI for scalability. This cert proves you know how to deploy machine learning models efficiently in a cloud environment. This certification would be best for machine learning engineers, cloud AI developers, data scientists using Google Cloud. Next is the Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate certification. This validates expertise in designing, building, and deploying AI solutions on Microsoft's Azure. It covers natural language processing, computer vision, conversational AI, and machine learning using Azure's AI services like Cognition Services, Azure Machine Learning, and Bot Framework. Why is this certificate worth it? Because it focuses on Microsoft's AI services, for example, Cognition Services, NLP, and computer vision. It is ideal for companies building AI-powered chatbots, recommendation systems, and analytic tools, and it has a high demand in enterprise and SaaS businesses. For a real-world example, let's say you work at a fintech startup and need to build a chatbot that answers customer queries using Azure AI. This cert ensures you understand Microsoft's AI stack, including cognitive services and machine learning APIs. This certification is best for AI engineers, software developers, and cloud architects working with Microsoft AI. Next, we have the AWS Certified Machine Learning Certificate. This certification validates expertise in building, training, tuning, and deploying machine learning models on AWS. It covers key topics like data engineering, exploratory data analyst, modeling, and machine learning operations using AWS services like SageMaker, S3, Lambda, and more. This is ideal for machine learning engineers, data scientists, and developers. This certification demonstrates proficiency in applying machine learning solutions to real-world business problems while following AWS's best practices. Why is this certificate worth it? It has a high demand in companies using AWS for AI workloads. It covers data engineering, feature selection, and model training and deployment. It is used in automated trading, healthcare analytics, and cloud AI models. A real-world example for the certification is if you're an AI engineer at Amazon, you need to deploy fraud detection machine learning models on AWS. This cert proves you know how to build and manage scalable AI systems in AWS environments. This certification is best for data scientists, machine learning engineers, cloud AI engineers using AWS services. Next, we have the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This is an online program on Coursera designed to equip learners with skills needed to become AI engineers. It covers key topics like deep learning, machine learning, and neural networks. It uses tools such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. The program includes hand-on projects and real-world applications, making it great for those looking to break into AI development or enhance their skills. No prior AI experience is required, but basic Python and math knowledge are beneficial. Why is the certificate worth it? The certificate is great for beginners because it requires no prior AI experience. The certificate covers deep learning, machine learning, and IBM Watson, and the hands-on projects make it practical and job-ready. A great real-world example for this certificate is if you want to transition into AI development but lack experience. By completing the certification, you build projects like image recognition models and chatbots. So this is perfect for freelancers or career changers. The IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate is best for beginners, career switchers, software engineers entering AI. And last but not least, we have the TensorFlow Developer Certification. This is a professional certification that validates your ability to build and train machine learning models using TensorFlow. It covers key topics like deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and model deployment. The exam tests practical skills requiring candidates to code solutions for real-world machine learning problems. This certification is ideal for developers looking to demonstrate their expertise in AI and deep learning, especially for roles in machine learning and data science. Basic Python and TensorFlow experience are recommended before attempting this exam. Why is this certification worth it? The certification is best for deep learning and neural networks. This certification is required for AI research, robotics, and NLP applications. Open source TensorFlow is widely used in AI-powered apps. A real-world example of this certification would be for if you work for Meta and need to train a deep learning model for image recognition. TensorFlow is the go-to framework, and this cert ensures you have the hands-on expertise in model building. The TensorFlow Developer Certificate is best for AI researchers, machine learning engineers, and deep learning developers. So now the question is, which certification is best for you? If you're a cloud AI engineer, you may want to go for the Google Machine Learning Engineer, which is best for Google Cloud AI projects, or the AWS Machine Learning Specialty, which is best for AI engineers deploying models in AWS, or you may want to go for Azure's AI Engineer, which is best for Microsoft AI solutions and chatbot development. If you're a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, you may want to go for Google's Machine Learning Engineer, which is great for large-scale AI models. Or you may want to try the AWS Machine Learning Specialty, which is best for cloud AI projects. Or you may even want to do the TensorFlow Developer, which is ideal for deep learning in neural networks. If you're an AI beginner or you're looking to make a career change, the IBM AI Engineering is best for foundational AI knowledge, and the TensorFlow Developer is great for starting with machine learning models. If you're a software developer or a freelancer, the TensorFlow Developer is perfect if you're integrating AI into software, and Azure's AI Engineer is ideal for building intelligent apps and chatbots. If you want to land a high-paying AI job even faster, combine AI certifications with real-world projects. Contribute to open source AI projects in GitHub, and build a portfolio showcasing your machine learning models, and gain experience through freelancing or hackathons. If you need more guidance, feel free to send me an email with AI Career Guide in the subject line, and I will send you my roadmap as a Google Doc free of cost to you. There's no email sign up. You would just send me an email with AI Career Guide as the subject, and I will send you a link to this Google Doc. And you can download it, copy it, edit it, do whatever you want to it. And that's it. We just covered the top 5 AI certifications that can boost your career in 2025. To quickly recap, Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer is best for cloud AI engineers. Azure AI Engineer Associate is great for Microsoft AI specialists. AWS Machine Learning Specialty is ideal for cloud AI developers. IBM's AI Engineering is best for beginners in AI. And TensorFlow's Developer is perfect for deep learning engineers. So what's next? Drop a comment with what certification you're considering down below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more AI career guides and tech insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.